to do a quick test to see if my wiring can handle running 7 of these things at the same time. Now, I don't do cable management because I mess around in these racks too much. So it's quite a mess back here, but they're all hooked up. I harvested every spare power cable I had. The top one still needs a power supply, so that one's not hooked up. But all the other ones, 1 through 7. So I turned off the Intel for now, because I honestly don't know how much this circuit can take. But let's fire it up one by one and see how it goes. I'm in my basement, so no tripod. I'm just going to take it one at a time and hope that I stay in frame. I'm going to give each Xserve about a minute to boot up before I start the next one. Let's just move on to the next one. I pre-configured numbers 2 through 7, but I don't think I finished up the first one. So I might have to hook up a display and configure this before it'll be visible on the network. Yeah, the second one is booting up already. Alright, number 3. Alright, number 3 is up and running. We don't care about warnings right now. Now this is just me powering them on. They're not even under load. So even if this works, by the time I start cluster computing, I might still blow a breaker. But it's a start. I'm going to turn off number 1 and circle back to that. It's not booting up. Something is off about it. Alright, number 4 is up. Next. I realized by the time I finished number 7 that I configured the first one, but I never set it up for remote access. I should have completed that before I moved them all downstairs, but I started getting sick. I had a stomach flu. I still do, but I'm getting over it. I just wanted to get them into the basement and out of my way. Alright, so that's number 5. Go with number 6. And number 7. I don't even know how much power I'm drawing right now. Alright, once number 7 is up, I'll power on number 1 again. Even though it's not functioning yet, I still have to configure it, but at least I'll know if it can handle the power draw. Alright, number 7 is up. Let's put it on number 1. Alright. 1 through 7 up and running. It's not as noisy as you might think. It's actually pretty quiet. My dehumidifier is making a lot more noise than all these Xserves combined. So, power-wise, I think I might be in good shape. Now, I might hook up this power strip to the battery backup just to see. Yeah, it's not currently hooked up to that. Just to see how much power it's drawing. But right now, I think I'm in decent shape. I'm going to scrounge up some networking cables, hook it all up to the switch, configure cluster node number 1, and then we can start crunching some data. Stay tuned. Before I go back to bed, I haven't eaten in a few days, so I'm a little tired. I'm curious if it can handle the power draw of all of them starting at the same time. So I'm going to hit these power buttons as fast as I can. See what's what. Lights are still on. I'm hopeful this might actually work. Alright, see you next time.